pamahalaan upang mapangalagaan ang inyong kapakanan. Maigting pong ipinapatupad ng DOLE POEA ang Memorandum Circular No. 2 Series of 2010. Tinitiyak nitong dumadaan sa malawakang pagsasanay ang ating mga marino. Paghahanda ito sa pagharap sa anumang masasamang elemento na maaaring sumalubong sa kanilang paglalayag. Kaugnay nga po nito, lahat ng mag-aaral sa PMMA ay dumadaan ng pagsasanay sa hukbong dagat sa larangan ng panseguridad. Sa pagkakaloob natin ng mga makabagong kagamitan at sasakyang pandagat, binibigyan natin sila ng sapat na kakayahan at kasanayan upang maayos nila magampanan ang tungkulin. Nagtutulungan na rin po ang POE at DFA sa pagmamonitor ng mga insidente ng piracy sa bansa. Inatasan po natin silang siguruhin ang kaligtasan at proteksyon ng ating seafarers, ang pakikipag-ugnayan para sa pagpapalaya at pagbawi sa kanila, at ang pangangalaga sa kanila pong mga pamilya. Di na rin po tayo lalayo pa. Nakaabot po sa atin ang ulat ng PMMA sa Local Water Utilities Administration o LUA ukol sa mababang kalidad at kakulangan ng supply ng tubig dito sa inyong lugar. Maglalaan na po tayo ng 5 milyong pisong pondo para sa pagsasaayos ng water supply system sa apektadong munisipalidad. Kasama na ang PMMA. Di naman po yatang tama ang mga nagsasanay na dumaong at maglakbay sa karagatan ay magkulang pa sa supply ng tubig. Di po ba? Sa maikling panahon pa lamang ng pagtimon natin sa bansa sa mabuti pamamahala, ibang-iba na po ang Pilipinas. Ang sumasalubong at madadatnan ng ating mga marino sa pagbalik sa bansa. Ngayon, sinusupo natin ang katiwalian upang maisagwan ang mas nakakarami palayo sa kahirapan. Sinisiguro nating sulit ang lahat ng pagtitiis, ang bawat pawis at sakripisyong inaalay ninyo sa serbisyo. Ang hiling ko lang po, huwag sana tayong paghinaan ng loob o magsawang tuparin ang ating tungkulin. Gaano man kalakas ang alon ng mga hamon, gaano man karaming unos ang bumuhos. Basta tayo'y nagtutulungan, siguradong malayo po ang ating mararating. Sa ating graduates, umaasa ako sa inyong pakikiisa sa pagtahak sa tuwid na landas. Maging bahagi man kayo ng Navy, ng Coast Guard o kaya man ay maging international seafarers. Tiwala kaming itatagoy ninyo ang lahing Pilipino bilang mga scholar ng bayan. Tungkulin ninyong isaalang-alang di lamang ang kapakanan ng sarili at ng inyong pamilya, kundi pati na rin ang kalakhang lipunan. Kasama ang sambayan ng Pilipino, tuloy-tuloy na po tayo sa paglalayag tungo sa tunay na kaunlaran, katarungan at kasaganahan sa ating pong bayan. Maraming salamat po. Magandang araw po sa lahat.
Thank you, Your Excellency, Benigno Aquino III. Sir, it is true an honor for us here at PMMA to have you today as we celebrate this momentous occasion.
Please be seated. At this instance, ladies and gentlemen, let us listen to the PMMA hymn to be sung by Batch 2012.
PMMA, we love thee. You inspire us when we're at sea. Through the years we will be loyal sons to thee. Philippine Merchant Marine Academy. Up the towering mast so high, blue and gold like colors fly, proudly waving in the sky. Guiding us you sail and venture, our success you will ensure. And we will all tell our stories in our quest for victory. Our success and all our glory, we have won for thee, Philippine Merchant Marine Academy. Up the towering mast so high, blue and gold like colors fly, proudly waving in the sky. Guiding us we sail and venture, our success you will ensure. And we will all tell our stories in our quest for victory. Our success and all our glory, we have won for thee, Philippine Merchant Marine Academy.
Thank you, graduates. Well done. We will now proceed to the formation of the long blue line.
The Philippine Merchant Marine Academy, the pioneer institution in maritime education in the country, is supported by government funds with the help from the shipping industry. It is the proud mother of the finest Filipino merchant marine officers. For many years, it has produced many master mariners, chief engineers, shipping executives, naval and coast guard officers, excellent educators and trainers now serving in marine and maritime-related industries in our country and abroad. Originally named Escuela Nautica de Manila, created by virtue of a Spanish royal decree issued on January 1, 1820, the school was inaugurated on April 5 of the same year. It was initially located at Calle Cabildo inside the walled city of Intramuros until 1863. It was moved several times to different locations from Calle San Juan de Letran to Calle Palacio in 1884 and to Binondo in 1898. Under the American occupation, it was reopened on December 15, 1899 and was renamed Nautical School of the Philippine Islands.
In 1913, Don Ramon Fernandez, president of the Ship Owners Association, recommended the opening of the school and established it as the unit of the Philippine School of Arts and Trade until World War II. During the Battle of Bataan, many of its graduates participated in the defense of the country. It was then renamed the Philippine Nautical School with the Commonwealth regime. During the Japanese regime, it was expanded into a bigger establishment that included the training of nautical officers, marine engineers, and ordinary seamen. In 1963, Republic Act 3680 converted the Philippine Nautical School into the Philippine Merchant Marine Academy. From then on, the sacred dress blue gala uniform was used by the members of the Corps of Midshipmen on special events, parades, and official duties at the Academy. The single line formation being made today by the graduating midshipmen and women of the Corps symbolizes the incorporation of these fine young men and women in joining the ranks and serial numbers of the thousands of alumni, thus following the footsteps of their predecessors to continue the legacy and tradition of the PMMA. Ladies and gentlemen, behold the new members of the long blue line of PMMA for the Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering and a Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation.
Igo, handa na po ang panaw para sa pasamusin.
At this point, may we request His Excellency Benigno S. Aquino III to stand at the center stage for the pass and review.
Ladies and gentlemen, passing in review before you are the cadet officers and midshipmen of the Philippine Merchant Marine Academy, led by its regimental commander, Midshipman Brazuela from Camarines Sur, XO Midshipman Canelao from Pampanga, N1 Midshipman Rafer from Camarines Norte, N2 Midshipman Pablo from Quezon City, N3 Midshipman Tingkang from Zamboanga City, and N4 Midshipman Duminong from Ifugao. Ladies and gentlemen, the Naval Education and Training Command Band under the baton of PO1 Jones, Philippine Navy.
First, Battalion Commander, Midshipman Cope, Albay. XO, Midshipman Dongasa, Camarines Sur. N1, Midshipman Jeronimo, Cavite. N2, Midshipman Avila, Quezon Province. N3, Midshipman Baldon, Makati. N4, Midshipman Jacinto, Manila.
Alpha Company Commander headed by Midshipman Adrisola from Camarines Sur. Executive Officer Midshipman Aro from Negros Occidental. Alpha First Platoon Leader Midshipman Servancia from Palawan. Alpha Second Platoon Leader Midshipman Commander Camarines Cortan from Camarines Sur.
Bravo, Company Commander, Midshipman Malibiran, Quezon Province. XO, Midshipman Kayangao, Kalinga. First Platoon, Midshipman Cebuano, Quezon City. Second Platoon, Midshipman Miguel, Cavite.
Ladies and gentlemen, please stand for the passing of the colors. Color Officer Midshipman Lorenzo. Second Battalion Commander is headed by Midshipman Argelias from Batangas. XO Midshipman Evasco from Camarines Sur. N1 Midshipman Mendoza from Cebu. N2 Midshipman Lauraya from Rizal. N3 Midshipman Asuncion from Iloilo. And N4 Midshipman Paglinawan from South Cotabato.
Charlie, Company Commander, Midshipman Gadon, Ifugao. XO, Midshipman Musa, Romblon. First Platoon, Midshipman Hipolito, Tarlac. Second Platoon, Midshipman Arcibal, Makati.
Delta Company Commander headed by Midshipman Mejia from Pangasinan. XO Midshipman Mandafe from Negros Occidental. Delta First Platoon Leader Midshipman Valencia from Rizal. And Delta Second Platoon Leader headed by Midshipman Enriquez from Camarines Sur.
Chief Commander and staff will now proceed to the grandstand to render salute to His Excellency Benigno S. Aquino III, President of the Republic of the Philippines.
Regimental Commander Midshipman Brazuela from Camarines Sur. Executive Officer Midshipman Canilao from Pampanga. N1 Adjutant Midshipman Rafer from Camarines Norte. N2 Intelligence Officer Midshipman Pablo from Quezon City. N3 Training Officer Midshipman Tingkang from Zamboanga City. And N4 Logistics Officer Midshipman Dominong from Ifugao.
That concludes the 189th commencement exercises of the Philippine Merchant Marine Academy. Thank you, Your Excellency Benigno S. Aquino III, for being with us today. We are your hosts,
Mel,
Vicky,
And Jan.
Mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Congratulations, PMMA Batch 2012.
Muli po maraming salamat sa ating panauhing pandangal, ang kagalang-galang na Benigno S. Aquino III, Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas. Sa lahat po ng mga kasama namin sa araw na ito, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagdalo.